Hello, I am a staff sergeant. No, I'm totally kidding. So we're at the Hsu Innovation Institute, which is owned and operated by the Hsu Family Educational Foundation. They are a 501c3 nonprofit K-20 outreach group. And all they do, their biggest thing in the community is let's go out and see how we can further science, technology, engineering, math within our ecosystem here in the community.
Awesome, and this is an Air Force program, so how does that partnership work?
So the One Cell Innovation Cell, the organization that I work for, decided and was looking for opportunities to get out into the local community. You know, how do we get like a makerspace? How do we interact with local industry, academia, other government entities? And we found the Hsu Foundation. They are amazing at this. They have this down to a science. So we were saying, hey, you know, how do we partner to where it's legal, where we're not giving money to a nonprofit because that's not legal, but how do we share potential equipment to help accomplish an Air Force mission set? And with our educational partnership agreement, we're able to do that here. We're able to share equipment, instructors, curriculum in order to accomplish an Air Force mission of innovation. And at the same time, we're helping the local community. The Hsu Foundation has these labs that they have set up, right? Everything is designed to be very modular. AKA we can move walls, we can move desks, equipment to help accomplish whatever needs to happen in that specific lab. For example, in the AFRL lab here, we have our code mandos, which are these awesome guys and girls that come in and they learn how to script on AFNet computers that help accomplish an Air Force mission.
So when we come in the door, we always take our rank off. So it doesn't matter if I'm talking to a general, a colonel, major, airman, everyone's addressed the same way, first name only. And that's so that the most highest ranking idea doesn't win, but the best idea wins. And it just promotes a community of collaboration and being comfortable, which is something I'm not really accustomed to or wasn't accustomed to coming off an ops floor from a standard Air Force job.
This is the One Cell Innovation Lab. We do a lot of brainstorming, design thinking. We do a lot of 3D printing and 3D design in this lab. I know we've had a couple projects here where airmen have come to us and they say, hey, I need a tool built to solve this problem set. Help, SOS.
I see it as an outlet for empowerment of airmen to facilitate the change. You know, I've been in for 10 years now, and I remember being an A1C, a senior airman, having ideas, but not personally being able to do anything about them.
Any classes that we offer for our innovation equipment, right? So our 3D printers, our laser cutters, engravers, our wood shop, we'd be able to have folks from the local community take those classes that are targeted towards our airmen as well. You know, the great thing is it demystifies the whole, oh, there's the military in our community, but no one really knows what they do. They see the planes, but if you don't get access to the base, you don't really know what's going on. So having a place like this really demystifies that. Like, what does the military do? And it allows our folks to directly interact with the community. And this place serves as one of those, as like a catalyst to help propel that, because we have industry, academia, and the local populace here. One of the first projects that we had worked on with the Hsu Foundation, what I mean by we worked on is, you know, myself and Sergeant Simino, we volunteered with the Hsu Foundation to essentially print face shields when they first started the whole COVID, when the COVID thing was kicking off. This was before we had our official educational partnership, but we had partnered with some folks and they said, yeah, we need face shields, Yeah, they're very stylish, right? But they fit. And as you can see, here's our, one of the things that we'd gone through is design iterations. Hey, here's the first one, here's the second one. Oh, change the settings, that one's messed up.
How do you hope this will change culture on a larger scale, like having places like this?
Before, if you had an innovative idea, you went to your supervisor, say, hey, this is cool, can we try it? And they may say yes, they may say no, right? Whereas in an innovation cell, at a Spark Cell level here, is we have an organization that is, their entire job is to take inputs to ideas and put pen on paper and try to help push those ideas.